Today we are going to discuss some more examples for total internal reflection. In total internal reflection, first example is mirage formation. So in mirage formation, so coming to the definition of the mirage, so what is a mirage? So how does the mirage will form? The main reason for formation of mirage is total internal reflection. In previous video, we saw how the total internal reflection will form. Note down, write down the definition for mirage. So mirage is optical illusion where it appears, water has collected on the road. If you go there, we did not find any water. Such type of phenomena is called as mirage. The main reason for formation of mirage is total internal reflection. Once again I am repeating, mirage is where it appears water has collected on the road. If you go there, we did not find any water on the road. Such type of phenomena are called as mirage. So mirage, the formation of mirage, total internal reflection is the response. See here how the total internal reflection will form, cause for mirage. See here, actually the mirage formation will take place on hot summer day, or hot day. So how? See, this involves two steps. This mirage formation involves denser as well as rarer medium. Is it depend on denser and rarer medium? So what will happen, my dear? The surface of the earth, the above surface on hot summer day and hot day, the surface of the earth, above the surface of the earth, hot air goes up, high altitude, this goes up, temperature is decreased, cool air which goes up, the temperature of the air decrease, the air became cool. Then air is cool, my dear, density of, note down, density of air is high. If density of air is high, refractive index also high. Refractive index also high here. See, in hot summer day, above the earth surface, hot air, you go up, density of air, refractive index is more, then air became cool. Now this above the surface of the earth, now this medium is act as denser medium. This medium is act as denser medium. Now above the surface of the earth, hot air and refractive index low and density also low. So then the air is hot in nature. So you can say that denser medium. Okay now, see my dear, see what will happen now on the road, trees and sky. So now the light rays coming from denser to rarer now. So now entering, so this two surface, what I can say this is interface. Now here denser, here rarer. So person standing and looking here on the earth. So now traveling from denser to rarer, he is away from northern. Now it look like a curve. It looks like a curve. So do you understand, my dear, how the mirror formation will take place? The mirror formation is depend on the medium, either denser medium or rarer medium. It is depend on the cool aid and as well as hotter aid. So virtual image of the virtual image. So what will happen now due to total internal reflection? The tree look like inverted position. Inverted position. Inverted position is nothing but tala krinduluga cheyadaanni emantamanటే inverted position antaram. So this is the best example for total internal reflection. And some more examples see here for total internal reflection. See, take one cylindrical vessel, transparent cylindrical vessel. So take transparent cylindrical vessel. So in transparent cylindrical vessel, in bottom of the vessel, keep a coin. So now add water up to level. Add the water and see the coin. The coin is appear rising to upward. So rising upward. The coin is look like rise up. So because of total internal reflection. See, my dear, suppose the water in the well, బావిలో ఉన్న నీరు ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్గా ఉంటే బావిలో మనం తొంగి చూస్తే బావిలో ఉన్న అడుగు భాగాన స్టోన్స్ మట్టి అవన్నీ ఉంటే మనకి పైన ఉన్నట్టు కనబడుతూ ఉంటుంది, అవునా? కానీ ఇఫ్ యూ గో దేర్, మీరు అక్కడ వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, మీరు లోపల పోతూనే ఉంటారు. మా పైనుంచి చూస్తే చాలా తక్కువ లోతు ఉన్నట్టు, స్టోన్స్ రాళ్ళు అవన్నీ పైన ఉన్నట్టుగా కనబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఎందుకు ఇలా కనబడుతుందంటే టోటల్ ఇంటర్నల్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ వల్ల. సో టేక్ ద బకెట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్, కీప్ ద స్టిక్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద వాటర్. స్టిక్ని వాటర్లోకి కీప్ పెట్టండి. మనం చూస్తే ఆ స్టిక్ అనేది బెండ్ అయినట్టు కనబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. సార్ ఎందుకు కూడా బెండ్ అయినట్టు కనబడుతుందంటే టోటల్ ఇంటర్నల్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ వల్లనే, డ్యూ టు రిఫ్రాక్షన్ మనకి. సార్ సో కీప్ ద లెమన్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. ఆ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ గ్లాస్ ఒకటి టేక్. ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ గ్లాస్ అంటే గాజు గ్లాస్ మనం కనబడుతూ ఉండాలి, లోపల అటు ఇటు కనబడుతూ ఉండాలి, దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ వెజల్స్ అంటాం, గ్లాస్ అంటాం. సో కీప్ ద లెమన్ ఇన్ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ వెజల్ filled with water and see the lemon from upward direction. So it look like a bigger size than actual size. చాలా బిగ్గా కనబడుతుంది. సో బికాస్ వై ద సైజ్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద వాటర్ మీన్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ టోటల్ ఇంటర్నల్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్. ఓకే, సీ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ టోటల్ ఇంటర్నల్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ అప్లై రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ n12 is equal to n1 by n2. So check refractive index of water here and refractive index of glass here. See, refractive index of water 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 simplify to 1.5 now by 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is simplified. So 3 1 3 and 1.0. So 3. So this is refractive index of water. So refractive index of water 1.33 and refractive index of glass 1.5. See, we simplify this. So refractive index is equal to rearrangement. After rearrangement, what will happen? 3 into 3 by 2 into 4. Now refractive index is equal to 9 by 8. Okay, so 9 by 8 here refractive index is 9 by 8. So the relation between refractive index and the critical angle, so not of N1. See, n is equal to 1 by sin c. N is equal to 1 by sin c. What is 1 by sin c? critical angle relation. So n is equal to 1 by sin c. So now n value 9 by 8. We require critical angle here. So sin c sin c is equal to 1 by n. N value substitute here. So sin c is equal to 1 by 9 by 8. Next, sin c is equal to 8 by 9. Suppose we simplify this. Now critical angle is equal to 60 degree 30 minutes. Okay. So like this, you want to give the some more example for total internal reflection. In coming to the law of refraction, note down everyone. Note down. Law of refraction. Law of refraction. Law of refraction. First law of refraction and second law of refraction. So note down. Very note down. See, incident ray, refracted ray, normal at the interface. At the interface. Once I am repeating. Incident ray, refracted ray and normal at the interface. At the point of the incident ray, all rays lies on same plane. And coming to the second law of refraction, the light rays follows the Snell's law. Light rays follows Snell's law. So what is the Snell's law here? So n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. So same this again, n2 here. So n1 by n2 is equal to sin R by sin I. Sin R by sin I. Okay. So do you understand, my dear? So now one more concept here. And prove that sin I by sin R is equal to constant. Form of question. Prove that sin I by sin R is equal to constant. And second one. So we know very well what you know. When light rays travel from denser to rarer. When light rays travel from denser to denser, rarer, incident ray, what will happen? This normal away from the normal. Incident refracted. When light travels from denser to rarer, refracted ray, angle of refracted ray is greater than angle light. This is the second thing. How do you prove? To prove that angle R is greater than angle I, you want to do the experiment. Angle R is greater than angle I. When the light travels from denser to rarer. When light travels from denser to rarer, you want to prove this. And third one, when light travels from rarer to denser. See an interface, normal and here rarer, denser. Incident ray angle. When light rays travel from rarer to denser, is moved towards the normal. This moves towards the normal. You understand? So how you want to prove that? See my dear, note down. First experiment, you want to do aim. Note down. Aim, note down. To prove sin I by sin R is equal to constant. R. To prove angle R greater than angle I. To prove angle I is greater than angle R. So what we want to do is, this is a material requirement. Note down. Material requirement. In the material requirement, note down first one, wooden plank, very important, 4%, wooden plank, white chart, protractor, next pencil, scale, next glass, semicircular glass disc, and protractor. Okay. Now we see procedure one by one. Note down everyone. Procedure. See the procedure. Very important. Procedure. See first point. Take a wooden plank. There is a wooden plank. This wooden plank. First, take a wooden plank. It is covered with white chart. With help of scale, at the middle of the chart, draw a straight line, and name it O dash. O dash is act as interface. Next, you draw perpendicular line to the interface. With the help of scale, draw a perpendicular line to the interface. Draw down N and N dash. Now, with help of protractor, what you want to do is, so from here to here 90 degree, no? And here to here 90. So total angle from here to here angle is 180. So now help of protractor now, keep here 0, angle 10, here 90, here 20, 30, 40. Okay. So you want to take some more big one. Okay. From here. Okay. So 10, 0, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Again start from here. 100, here 180, no? 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 160, 170, 180. These are half semicircle. So remaining, you do this and keep the protractor here. Again line. Start from 0, we again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 60, 78, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180 and 90. Okay. Now total circle. Here, look, listen here. Keep the semicircular glass. Keep the semicircular glass along the interface here. Semicircular glass here. So now cover name here. circular glass. Semi-circular glass. So now this glass is act as denser now. Glass is act as denser, and this one is act as radar. So now take laser light. Laser light. So laser light cause the light through the 20 degree here. 20 degree, but 90, 70 and 60. So in between angle is 20 degree. So send the light place to 20 degree. The light is now traveling from denser to radar. Is away from normal. Away from normal. Now keep table column here. See serial number, angle light, and angular, next, side eye, next one, side R, next column, sine I by sine R is constant. So now what we want to do is, so here denser, angle is 20. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 40, angular is 40. So write this, you want to write down here sine 20, sine 40. And second time, repeat the experiment. Again repeat the experiment. Now take 30 degree. Take 30 degree. What happened here? Angle increase. I am giving only experiment. Approximate value I am giving. So in 30, angular 60. Now here sine 30 and sine 60. And this value substitute here. This value substitute. Say take sine 20 by sine 40 is equal to constant value. Next, and here sine 30 and sine 60 is equal to constant. So if you get the value sine 60 by sine 20 by sine 40, if you get some value, this value is equal to sine 30 by sine 60. So suppose you don't know sine 20 value, so in logarithm of sine value, you can give, we see the logarithm and we want to find the sine 20 and sine 30, sine 40 values. Okay, so this is the experiment. We want to find sine I by sine R. Sine I by sine R. So same experiment by doing this experiment only. Now the rays from denser to rarer. You say that when rays are traveling from denser to rarer, angle I is greater than angle R. Suppose the light coming from rarer to denser, what happened? What I told guys, denser to rarer, angle R is greater than angle I here. But rarer to denser, in rarer, angle I is greater than angle I. So like this we want to do the experiment.